Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got an exciting topic for those of you who are looking to kickstart your career in cloud computing or want to get a free certification voucher. Stick around because we got all the details for you. So this is really a golden opportunity for all AWS Associate Certification Exam aspirants. And if you don't want to miss any golden opportunity like this, then make sure you subscribe the channel because I keep bringing back all these free certification vouchers videos. So it will be really helpful for you guys. So before we start, let's understand, are we even eligible to get this free voucher? Okay. So any person who register for this associate challenge, I will tell you how you can register for it. But remember the date, December 12, 2024, because before that you have to register it. Many people get confused with the like 31st December. Its date is very important. It's still 12th of December 2024. And also remember the time, 5:30 a.m. IST. It's in Indian Standard Time. You can convert it your time zone as well. Okay. And what will happen when you register for it? You will get access to training, review session, and preparation resources, and you will get a massive 50% of voucher towards the cost of your examination. This is a massive discount because I am tracking these vouchers from a long time, and earlier in between like AWS is giving only 33% of vouchers. So after a long time back they started giving this 50% of voucher. So make sure you take the maximum benefit of it. And the voucher is applicable for only these four associate level examination, that is solution architect, developer, sysops administration, and data engineer. So make sure you take the benefit, and it is only open to the individual who are at least 18 years of age. Offer is limited to 150% of discount per individual till the supply is list. Okay. So it is only you will get one voucher, so make sure you register for the like a particular exam, and it cannot be combined with any other offer or discount. So if you are using your company's voucher, so then it will won't be combined with that. And also it won't be applicable to the beta examination. And also it is not valid for Japan, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, or the region of Crimea and Russia residents. Okay. As AWS is an USA company, so they have their several restriction. I don't know how Japan got included into it. 50% of vouchers are only applicable towards the examination when you schedule through Pearson View. You should not schedule your AWS exam through any vendor. Nowadays there is only one vendor, so make sure you schedule through Pearson View vendor only. So I already made a video how you can schedule your AWS certification examination. I will provide link in the description. Okay. And you must take your exam by December 31st, 2024. Okay. So exam you can take by 31st December, but you have to register for it till 12th of December. Okay. So I hope you understand the difference. What is the date difference here? But if in any case you need to reschedule your original exam, you can do it, but it should be under the deadline of December 31st. Okay. And AWS has every right to cancel this offer, or it can modify like from 50% to anything. So make sure you register for this challenge as soon as you get this video. Okay. And this offer is non-transferable. You cannot transfer it to other person and cannot sold it. And if you violate any of these terms, then offer will be considered invalid. So what will happen when you enter the AWS Associate Challenge? Your voucher request will automatically submitted automatically as soon as you register, and you will also receive instruction with the registration confirm mail, and how you can redeem the discounted voucher. And you will receive training, review session, we already talked about it. But it is not compulsory to complete all this challenge. Okay. So if you are prepared for the examination, just register for this challenge, get that AWS voucher of 50% discount, then register for your exam, and that's it. You don't need to complete any training or review session or preparation resources. And also you will get email within the 2 weeks of your registration. And if still you face any issue, please let me know in the comment section of this video. I will respond to each and every comment. Okay. And you can read the full terms and condition here. And most important thing, to earn the AWS certification, you have to take and pass the above listed exam. Okay. All these four exam you won't get as soon as you register for this challenge. You only get the voucher, and then you have to take the actual examination to get the certification and the badge as well. Okay. So, and I have provided there is the official link. So let's see how we can register for it. So let's go to this link. and you come to this page of join the Get AWS Certified Associate Challenge. Just click on register now. Just provide your business. It is asking for business email address. You can provide your Gmail address and select no here if you are a student, or if you know what is AWS partner, it is for the organization, and if you are using your business ID, then register it. But most of you are will be eligible for no, so select no. Enter your email address and all the things, job role. You can select like if you are a student, just select academic and researcher. You can in the job title you can put a student, and like in phone number also you can put your phone number, postal address, and industry also you can select the other. So it will be free for you. Select the personal interest and click on submit. That's it. And as soon as you click the submit, after few minutes you will get an email receiving the confirmation that your registration has been successfully done to this challenge, and in 2 weeks you will receive your voucher. Okay, and I also provided the link how you can schedule the AWS certification exam, and how you have to solve the question in any of the AWS certification exam, what approach you need to take in the AWS certification exam. And also for the AWS solution architect exam, I have provided an overview. You can go to this link. I will provide the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel, like this video, and share with your colleagues and friends so it can help them as well.